Hello everyone. My name's Hussein. I am a 3D visualization artist. In the previous tutorial we talked about material. So, in this tutorial we will talk about the final settings of the render. Let's get started. Increase the resolution to 1400, it depends on the amount of detail. For me, it's okay. In the global switches, set the value of the adaptive lights to 8. Increase the max subdivision to 12. In the noise threshold, I don't want to increase this value too much because that will increase the rendering time significantly. Additionally, I will add denoiser as a render element. So let's make the value something like 0.008. Check the image filter option. In the test render settings we have changed the burn value to 0.1. So we'll keep that value in the final render settings as well. In global illumination, choose the irradiance map and light cache, and check ambient occlusion option. Choose a low preset in the irradiance map. For me that's enough. Choose bucket mode. Set the light cache subdivisions to 4000, I know this value is too much, but I want a clear preview, to make sure everything is working properly. In the setting, we don't need to change anything. Finally, let's add some render elements. This is very useful for post-production. Now, let's start the final render. Of course this will take some time, depending on your computer components. I've already done that, so I'm going to stop it. As you can see, this is the final result of the rendering, so let's save all the image channels to separate files. Choose the TIFF format. This format gives us a larger color space, and this allows us to adjust the colors of the image better in Photoshop. Check the override option, and click the Save button, and choose 16-bit color. As you can see, each channel has been saved separately. Now, let's compare our final rendering to the reference. As you can see, we have some problems with the colors. It looks warmer. We will correct the colors in the next tutorial with Photoshop. If you have any questions, write them to me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also tell me what you want the topic of the next workshop to be. Thanks for watching.